Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick, easy tutorial about how to make your eyes look bigger. If you want to learn how, please keep on watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do my complexion first, so I'm going to speed through this part, but in case you're interested, I'm going to leave a list of all the products that I use in the description box below. For today's tutorial, I'll be using the Nude Smooth palette from Colourpop. I'm going to start with the color Bluffing, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid to create like a good canvas and light it up the whole eye. Even I'm going to apply a little bit of this color under the brow bone to highlight it as well. Then I'm going to use the color Dare to Wear, and with a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it very softly in my crease. I don't want an intense color payoff. What I want is to start to create like a dimension in the eye. Think about like the natural shadows of the eye. Now with the color Naturale, I'm going to create a really light soft line above my actual crease. This will give the illusion that my eyelid is bigger than it really is. And then with the fluffy brush that I used with the previous eyeshadow, I'm going all over to make sure that I have a soft transition between the colors. Now with my LA Girl eyeliner in the color brown, I'm going to tie line the upper lash line to create the illusion of fuller lashes. And then with an angle brush, I'm going to grab a bit of this same product and use it to create a wing line. Doesn't need to be perfect because I'm going to smoke it out later, but I want to create that illusion of elongated eye shape. I'm leaving a tiny little gap between the liner and the lash line, and I'm going to focus only on the outer part of the eye. Now I'm going back to the color Naturale, and with a more precise brush, I'm going to smoke it out the wing line that I created before. Also, I'm placing this same color under the lower lash line, a little bit lower than I usually do, and connecting it with the upper part to accentuate the elongated eye effect that I'm looking for today. With my NYX Wonder Pencil in the color Light, I'm going to light up the inner part of the lower lash line, focusing only or like more on the outer and inner corners. And then with my NYX eyeliner in white, I'm going to apply it just in the center. If I use the white liner all the way, it will look too harsh and not natural at all. So I'll just keep it only to the center. With the same small brush that I used before, I'm going to use it to clean the edges and make sure that I don't have much liner on the lower lashes. With the same Wonder NYX pencil, I'm going to highlight a little bit more the brow bone. And for the inner corners, I'm going to use a combination of the two liners, mixing them a little bit and blending the product with a tapping motion. Last but not least, the mascara. I'm using the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. I'm going to apply plenty of coats on the top lashes, and for the bottom lashes, I'm going really softly and focusing only on the end of the lashes. And here's the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few tips with me today. If you recreate this look, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye!